2013 Freightliner single axle day cab tractor. Look at that, two things right so far. Detroit horsepower under the hood, 410, 500, fuller 10-speed behind it, 23,000 pound rears. Let's take a quick walk around, see what we got going on. Cab and nose looking pretty good up front for you. Back of the cab's right, windjammer on the back. Little surface rust on the frame, nothing too terrible. Tires looking all right, steel wheels all the way around. Both mud flaps on this one. Dual fuel tanks for you like normal. DEF underneath the driver's door. Pop your head inside. Air ride seat, fuller 10-speed for you. AC present and reported to be working. Washer, wiper, city horn, blower okay on this one. No ABS light on. Check engine light on. Pretty typical with these trucks. Bring your scan tool, bring your friends, bring your mechanic, bring your mother, whoever. Come on by, take a look at the truck. We've got plenty of these available. Lots of package deals available here at Arthur TRO & Sons. Parts, pieces, projects. Lots of different things to see and do here. Lots of new trucks coming in every week, every day here at Arthur TRO & Sons. Trovy.com's the place to be. If you're watching anywhere else, get on there, see everything we got. And our favorite, as always, come and visit us right here in beautiful Sparrow Bush, New York.